If you want to maintain your privacy while using Postmates, hiding your online status is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure that your status remains hidden from others. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. This will take you to your account management options. Step 3. Find privacy settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you locate the privacy settings section. This is where you can manage your visibility and online status preferences. Step 4. Toggle online status. Look for the option that allows you to control your online status. Toggle the switch to the off position to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. This will ensure that your preferences are applied. By following these steps, you can easily hide your online status on Postmates, allowing for a more private experience.